Good Thursday morning. I hope your Wednesday went well. Check out the problem to solve in Seesaw for Thinking Cap Thursday and be ready to share at 8:30. In math, we will split again into some breakout rooms. Remember, you need to show your work, and you can use any method of multiplication that you want to use. At 10:45, we will have Miss Rowland's group, which is Tiziana, Anastasia, and Maripaz. Go to Miss Rowland's channel. And the rest of the class will do a read out loud called Migration Relocation. At 11:45, we will all meet to read chapters 7 through 9, and you will take a quick little quiz right afterwards. So let's make it a great day, and I'll see you at 8:30.